The Peter Schick Foundation is a nonprofit foundation that was started in 2003 by me. The purpose of the foundation initially was to allow HIV positive patients to live a better life. Initially we were interested in support and education, but as we grew and grew, then we really got interested in the main thing that I'm interested in, and that is research. So now we're really involved heavily with research into HIV and actually bone marrow stem cells.
So yeah, these are stem cells that we're making into other cell types.
Again, the foundation is unique because we are a research foundation mainly.
The initial pilot study is scheduled to be a 6-month study.
We certainly do other things, such as we have a very strong web presence.
Protocols that you generated, everything from osteoarthritis to diabetes to the early treatment of HIV, are featured on the site. Some of them are coming soon, but the real crucial ones that you're pushing that are integrated into the WIRB submissions and the FDA, those are the ones that we're focusing on, so you can find them there.
We have social media presence, we have a video presence, we have a very, very smart group of people that work very, very hard. So we're unique in that aspect. The nature of the substance that we're going to study is called blue-green algae. Indians and people in Africa used to use it as their main source of food because it's so high in protein. But the main source of blue-green algae now is in Klamath Falls, Oregon. And what the substance can do is basically a number of things. It was broken down by a Dr. Gita Jensen into 4 parts. The main part is called L-selectin ligand, and what this substance does is it releases bone marrow stem cells. Now, bone marrow stem cells everyone has. This is not embryonic stem cells. These are bone marrow stem cells or adult stem cells.
Most tissues in our body, skin, lining of our intestines, and even our brains, can make new cells from stem cells that are already in place.
Now, the other substance in there is a carbohydrate, which really sort of directs the bone marrow stem cells into the places of injury and promotes healing. The other substance in blue-green algae is called afamine, and that's a mood elevator. And there's been a lot of reports about people on this substance feeling better and feeling healthier. So blue-green algae, there's a lot of testimonials about how good it has been, but just recently we have been involved in it and we want to study it from a clinical point of view.
We'll be looking monthly at the markers within the patients during the process of and assuming and hoping, with our fingers crossed, that our hypothesis is correct and we do decrease inflammation and the patients seem to respond positively, we will very eagerly move forward, into the next phases of the study. Hopefully our final line will be that we'll be able to present the commercial product, blue-green algae, as a treatment for HIV.
Everything in research is based on experiments. If we have a new idea, like using blue-green algae products for increasing bone marrow turnover, if there's such a new idea, it has to be rigorously tested in experiments in animals and then in people to see if it truly has value.
If it is a positive result, obviously it would be tremendous. I mean, it would be tremendous for HIV patients. Conceivably, it could end the realm of HIV, or the terror of HIV, I might say. So this is a tremendous, tremendous undertaking that we are doing, and we are well on our way, and I'm optimistic about it.